Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick eyebrow tutorial using this Juvia's Place iSCULPT Eye Shade Palette. So if you want to see how everything turned out, how I use the product, stay tuned. But before you leave, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, also turn on your post notification bell that way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so this video is going to be a little bit different from my normal videos. So I purchased this Juvia's Place iSCULPT Eye Shade. It's for your brows, but it's telling me that I can also use it if I want to contour my face with it. But I'm going to use it on my eyebrows. It's a so it's like powder for your eyebrows. So we're gonna try it out. So of course my face is already done. Alrighty. So what I'm going to do is get a spoolie just to brush up my eyebrows. I'm gonna brush up my brow. Alright, I don't have any product on my eyebrows. Alright. And for this, you want to make sure that your eyebrows are nicely groomed. So I did mine this morning. So I'm going to go into the darker shade here at the end, and I'm using this flat brush. Okay, and I'm just going to dip it into the product and just like outline my brow with it. Right, hopefully it will be very easy. I'm just going to brush the front of my hair. It's going up. Okay. I hope you guys are far enough. So I'm just dipping in, outlining the brow. Okay. Just the same way that you will use a eyebrow pencil. Colors are very pigmented, as you could see. I'm gonna move my mirror really close. Alright, just following the natural shape. Maybe I can use this mirror so I can but sometimes when you put something in front of the camera, it focuses on your hand instead of what you're trying to show. Alrighty. So I have something else also that I'm going to be using along with this powder from Juvia's Place. As you can see, it's going on very nicely. And I got this when it was on sale after the Black Friday. During the Black Friday sale. Alrighty. So you see how we're looking so far? It's nice, right? Okay. Okay. We're good there. Let's do the other side. If your brows are not very clean, I don't think this is gonna be a good look. Of course, you can clean up the brows with concealer, but it's nice that you have a clean brow. Okay. Of course, I'm still going to use concealer to clean up mine. So I just did a nice quick face, nothing major on the eyes. Alright, let's see if I can hold this in front of me. without the camera focusing on it. Okay. Try to get them to match. I want you guys to really see it. And you know, they have different shades, so depending on the color of your brow, you can always use a lighter, but I'm using the darkest one. Okay, so let's make sure that our brows are on the same height. Alright. I'm liking how that's looking. Alright, so I have a paper towel here. What I'm going to do is take off whatever is left on the brush, and I'm going to go into the brown one and put that in the front to give it like a more faded look. Right, so it doesn't look as dark. But it's looking good, right? It's looking good. Alright, so alright, let me have a look at her close and see. So now I also have this brow, what is it called? It's from Juvia's place. It's from the same line, iSCULPT Eye Shade, but this one is a pencil. The color is ebony. This one is like a felt tip liner, right? So you could see the point. So what I'm going to do now is go back with this, and I'm just going to take this and put some strokes, like, you know, those hair-like strokes in the brow. I'm also going to take it and go underneath the brow like I'm creating a line, just like you would use a pencil to outline your brow. All right, and I'm just going to line the end also. No. Alrighty, I'm going to do the same thing for the top, and then I'm just going to go do, you know, hair-like strokes going up. Okay, just like that. So it looks more natural. We can add more later if we want to. All right, let's do the other side. All right, that's fine for now. Now we're gonna go in with our concealer. I'm gonna use the Too Faced and Butterscotch, and I'm gonna put some, right, I'm not gonna put a lot, a couple dots underneath the brow like so. Like that. And I'm going to go in with this flat brush, very flat, and this is what you need, right? And I'm gonna clean that up. So this is the brush that I use to clean up my brow on a regular basis, right? Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. All right, let me see. Let me look at this mirror. All right, it's looking all right. It's actually not as harsh as the pencil. Alrighty. And we'll blend that out later. So now I'm going to go into, let me do the other side, okay? You guys know I don't play with my brows, right? Alright, let's see this mirror. I want to make sure that it's nice and even. Normally, I don't use the same thing that I put over my brow, underneath my brow, over my brow, but I'm just going to use the pencil. I kind of wiped off, the brush, I kind of wiped off a little bit of it. And I'm just going to like barely, you know, go around the edges to make sure that they're sharp and clean looking. Just a little bit. Nothing major. I'm not even sure that that's making a big difference. I think it's doing a little something. All right, let's do the other side. Normally for this you use your foundation, but I'm just going around with the brush. There's a little bit of something on there since I took off most of it on the paper towel, and just, you know, just to sharpen it up. Now I'm going to get a brush, right, to blend out the concealer. Blend out the edge of the concealer. Just blend it into the shadow that I have on. I just have on some brown shadow. Make sure you blend out the front. Take it over the top. And do this one. Okay, that's looking good. And I'm just going to take my Fenty powder that I have sitting here and just, you know, just set. You want to set it. Set it under the brow. Okay. Now if you find that they don't look even, I'm gonna go in with the pen, right? Because I feel like this one is a little lower than this one. I'm just gonna go in with the pen and just, you know, make this one a little lower. Okay. Like that. And then just a couple strokes going up. Pretty easy to use. I'm just extra, so you know, I want to make sure that my brows are really neat. Now I'm still going to take the spoolie brush and just blend out the front of my brows like I always do, to make sure that it's not too sharp right there. Fade it. Go use your finger. Yeah. And if I feel like I took a little bit too much off of this one, I'll just go back with the pencil and just flick it up right there. You see? What do you think? I mean, I like it. It's really nice. As I stated, you can use whatever shade you think matches your brow. You know, hair like strokes in the front because that's how your brows naturally grow. You know, I think it's a great product. What do you think? So we look close. I hope they're even. They're not, you know, they look like they're related. You know, they're not twins. They're not identical twins. They're like, you know, sisters. I'm gonna say they're sisters. And there you have it. So I think this is easy. I think it's easy to use. Make sure that it's not too close right here in the front. I like it. You like the end on this one, the on this side needs to be a little bit more filled in. And that's it, guys. Okay guys, so that's the end of the tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this brow product. I think it was, you know, very easy to use. So one more close-up look of the brows. I hope you like them. And just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick eyebrow tutorial. Hope that it was easy for you to follow. I'll be sure to leave the link down in the comment section for this little powder palette, which I've never used powder on my eyebrows before. All right, let me know what you guys think of the product. Again, if you like the video, please to give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, also turn on your post notification bell, that way you'll never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.